In order to log into your account, you will find the San Jose State University Martin Luther King Jr. Library website and click My Accounts. There you will be instructed to log in using your OneSearch library account. Click on that. And you will be asked to log in using your own credentials, not mine. And from here you will be sent to a portal that gives you options for an overview, which looks like this. You can look at your loans, a list of requests, fines and fees you may have, blocks and messages sent to you, and personal details which you can edit, such as your email address and so on. That is your OneSearch account.